Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to transfer USDC from your Tangem wallet to Uphold in 2025. With crypto evolving so fast, this step-by-step guide will help you move your funds securely and efficiently. Whether you're building your investment portfolio or just managing your digital assets, this process is straightforward once you know the ropes. First things first, make sure you have both your Tangem wallet and Uphold accounts set up and verified. You'll need access to your Tangem app on your mobile device and your Uphold wallet address ready to go. Let's dive into the steps. Step 1. Open your Tangem wallet app and unlock it using your secure method, like a PIN or biometric authentication. Once inside, navigate to your USDC balance by selecting the wallet that holds your USDC tokens. Step 2. Tap on the Send or Transfer option. You'll be prompted to enter the recipient's address, that's your Uphold wallet address. Double-check this to avoid any mistakes, as crypto transactions are irreversible. Step 3. Enter the amount of USDC you want to transfer. Remember to leave a little extra for network fees if applicable, especially on blockchain networks like Ethereum or Solana that USDC might use. Step 4. Review the transaction details carefully. This includes the amount, fees, and destination address. If everything looks good, confirm the transaction. You might need to sign it with your Tangem hardware for added security. Step 5. Once the transaction is initiated, keep an eye on its status. It could take a few minutes to a few hours depending on network congestion. Head over to your Uphold app or website to monitor the incoming transfer. A few quick tips. Always use a secure internet connection, enable two-factor authentication on both platforms, and never share your private keys. In 2025, with new regulations and tech updates, it's wise to stay informed about any platform-specific changes. There you have it. Transferring USDC from Tangem to Uphold is that simple. If you follow these steps, you'll be all set. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more crypto tutorials. If you have questions, drop them in the comments below. See you next time.